Welcome to Salesforce training. In this demonstration, we're going to learn about Salesforce navigation using the mobile app. Keep in mind that this video is recorded using a mobile simulator, and there may be slight differences from your live iPhone application. At the top of the screen, you can access the navigation menu, the global search, and the notification icon. Before we move on to the actual content in the tabs, let's learn how to use global search at the top of the screen. Salesforce Search on the mobile operates just like the desktop. Simply tap the search icon to begin your search of the entire Salesforce application. Search terms must be at least 2 letters, and you can use the wildcard to broaden your search results. Simply enter your search criteria, and notice in the live applications how your most recent records are filtered as you type. Search results will display the top results, and you can filter those results by each type. For example, if you only want to see accounts or contacts or opportunities, tap the link on the top of the screen to filter for just those records. The global search always returns results that match your search criteria if you have access to those records. If you don't find a record you're looking for, contact your manager or support to request access if you believe those records already exist. To access different tabs, like on the desktop, click the menu icon on the top left of the screen. To navigate to the various home pages for like accounts, contacts, and opportunities, to name a few, simply tap a tab to open the page of that record type. Each tab will show you the recent items viewed by default. There's a filtered search box and a notification icon at the very top of the screen. The New button at the top of the screen allows you to quickly create a new record in the system. The list views that you create from the desktop will show up automatically on the mobile application. Each record can be viewed by tapping on the record's name. The record layout for each different record type is very similar. The record highlights are at the top of the screen, and there are 3 tabs that display the chatter feed, record details, and related records. At the bottom of the screen are action buttons that let you edit the record or post a chatter, create a task, or show more icons like adding a note or creating a sales call, depending on the record you choose. To return to the previous list of records, tap the back arrow button on your phone. To view another type of record, click the menu button on the top left of the screen and navigate to that tab. Go to the Salesforce CRM Connections community for more videos, user guides, and support.